What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a really cool trick on Canva. How to turn this picture into this fancy picture, good for social media profiles, for example. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, find your image, upload a picture of yours, any picture that you want, okay? Up to you, up to your needs. Then move it like this and review the left sidebar of menus on your Canva. Go to Elements, scroll down. Let me just go back and go to Shapes. Once on Shapes, find the circle, just like this. Okay? After circle added, click on it and change the background color for some color that has relation to the picture. Maybe this one. Up to you, up to your needs, okay? After, go to Elements once again, go back and search for inner circle. Just make this circle bigger. And search for shadow circle. Let me apply some. This one looks fancy. Is looking fancy. Let me just adjust the size. Perfect. Let me group the headings. Just like this. Let me ungroup. Just like this. Let me a little bit changes. Well done. So now go back to Elements, search on frames, scroll down. Let me just reset. Go to frames, basic shapes. Scroll down until you find this guy right here. Same thing right here. We're gonna adjust the size to make it fit perfectly. Just like this. Now move your image, remove the background, and here is the result you got. Or you can play with the image a little bit. In the case that I want, for example, just like this. Let me make it bigger. Align to the center, right here. Okay, click on it, then click on BG Remover. And here is the final result. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!